Today we will just do recap of our taught lessons, and I'm going to show you some prototype. At first, just take a here. Do you know what it is? Yeah, this is plant cell, right? Plant cell, and they have given color themselves, but all parts are not like that colorful. Only one part is colorful, that is plastic. Plastic are of three types. What are they? Chloroplast, and lubricants. Right? So, when you will see these different parts, we can notice here. Outermost part. What is the outermost part? Cell wall. Outermost part is cell wall. This is the cell wall. Can you see cell wall here?
Yes, sir.
And what is the part just below to it?
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Cell membrane lies just inner to cell wall. Okay, cell membrane. Then next one is what they have shown in this cell wall outside, cell membrane is here, and the part of the cell that lies inner to cell membrane is called protoplasm. What do you call it?
Protoplasm.
Part of cell that lies inner to protoplasm, cell membrane is protoplasm. Protoplasm contains mainly two parts. One is nucleus. What is nucleus? This is nucleus, right? Yeah, nuclear membrane means this is nucleus, and rest of other parts is called cytoplasm. Nucleus and
Cytoplasm.
again, cytoplasm contains two types of substances: cell organelle and cell inclusion. Cell organelle and cell inclusion. What is my cell organelle? Living parts of cell, that is called cell organelle. And there are some non-living things also. It's quite interesting. Inside the cell there is non-living thing also, like oxygen, carbohydrate, protein. Yes, sir. They are not living. That is called cell inclusion. Okay. So some of the cell organelles are ribosome, Golgi body, and powerhouse of cell. What is the power of cell?
Mitochondria.
And here is given leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. These are plastids. Tonoplast. What is tonoplast? Outermost layer of vacuole is tonoplast. What lies inner to vacuole?
Cell sap.
Cell sap. And suicidal bag is here. What is that?
Lysosome.
Okay. So these things you have to remember: a cell wall, nucleus, Golgi bodies, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, and cell membrane or plasma membrane. So its main function is to carry the substances from cell membrane to nucleus and nucleus to cell membrane. Plastids. So why is lysosome called suicidal bag? Main thing is it contains a kind of enzyme that is highly poisonous. When it bursts, all the parts of cell also die. No problem. So
It's animal.
it is animal cell. How to identify whether it is plant cell or animal cell?
It's
Very
by the
simple
shape
thing.
also.
By looking at the shape. Actually, plant cell is polygonal. Plant cell is polygonal means maybe pentagonal, hexagonal, etc. And there is presence of cell wall. There is presence of plastid. But in animal cell, there is no cell wall. There is cell membrane. What is there?
Cell membrane.
What are different parts of animal cell? Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, plasma membrane,
cilium.
cilium. Cilium means this is a kind of thread-like structure due to which some animals can move. Some organisms, now we can see some organisms can move. Like paramecium, it contains cilia. And did we discuss about glandular system? We haven't studied. Have you studied about tissue?
Yes.
What are the different type of tissue? Muscular tissue. Now, did you discuss about epithelial tissue?
Yes, yes.
What are the different types of epithelial tissue? Pavement or squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium. I think it's not there in your class. It is in grade 9. So, from which gland mucus is produced? Mucus. No, salivary gland produces saliva. Mucus is produced inside our nostril. Right? Mucus is produced inside our nostril. So, mucus is produced by mucus gland. Which gland? When you talk about gland, the glands contain some cells having hair. Those hairs, small hairs present in cell are called cilia. Cilia is mentioned here. What is the next one?
Ribosome.
What is the other name of ribosome?
Protein factory.
Protein factory of cell. And what is the next one? Perisome. So, and this is the structure of what is
Animal
this?
cell.
Animal cell. We have seen in our day-to-day activities also, means in our study time also, right? So that is all about plant cell and animal cells, their functions we have discussed. Now I'm going to show you about nervous system. Did we complete nervous system recently? Have we discussed that?
Not yet, sir.
Then what have we discussed?
Animal cell, we have discussed about the scientific learning and ICT devices.
Means very soon we are going to discuss about classification of living beings as well as and other microorganisms also. What will you study? Microorganisms. Now I'm going to show you some prototype. Do you know what is this? This is the brain, prototype of brain. So our brain is like this, shape is like this, but size differs, right? And how much does a fully grown brain weigh? What is the mass of fully grown brain? 1.2 kg, means 1200 gram. How much is it? 1200 gram. So, the brain has mainly three parts. One is cerebrum. This grey color, can you see? Cerebrum. You can see in black color? Cerebellum. And this one, medulla oblongata. What is it? It is called brain stem, and this lowermost part is called medulla. From medulla, what is connected? Spinal cord. And can you see here some depressions? So something is going down, no? These are called convulsions. What are they? Furrows. We can call them furrows also. Right part is called right cerebral hemisphere, and left is called left cerebral hemisphere. Right cerebral hemisphere, left cerebral hemisphere. What is here in this side? The right cerebral hemisphere. This side. And where is the bone located? The brain located? Where is it located?
Inside the skull.
Inside the one box. Brain box. Inside the brain box, or we can call it inside cranium. What do you call it? Brain box is also called cranium. It is very soft organ. So it needs some sort of protection or not? And the protection is provided by
Cranium.
There is one small box of bones. Right side also bone, left side also bone, up also bone, down also bone, and below what is your brain. Okay? And one thing you have to remember, right part of the brain controls our left organs which are present in left side, and left part controls right side. Is that clear? And all the senses, imagination, creation, thinking, hunger, thirst, these are governed by cerebrum. So it is very important part. Outer part is grey in color because there are more cell bodies, and inner part is white. What's the color? White. Because there are more axons. What is there? Would you remember cell body and axon? Where are they found, cell body and axon? A nerve cell contains mainly two parts. One is cell body, another is axon. Cell body collects the message, axon carries it away. Okay. And what does this hindbrain do? What does cerebellum do? Cerebellum controls our posture. Controls our posture. Okay. And medulla oblongata? It controls our involuntary actions. Which actions?
Involuntary actions.
What are the involuntary actions? Like working of heart, working of kidney, working of lungs, stomach. At night time, you eat food and then go for bed, right? You sleep. But your internal organs, do they sleep?
No.
They keep on doing their work. Some organs, they may rest, but many they are still busy. Like eyes, do they work or not? At night time, when you are sleeping, they don't. Nose, does it function or not?
Yes.
When nose stops functioning, how can it survive, right? Does the tongue work? No. Does the skin work? No. If somebody comes and kills us, we don't know, right? Yes. But does the stomach work?
Yes.
Some they function, some they do not. Children, now here is one lovely part I am going to show you. What is this?
Kidney.
This is called kidney, right? What is this? Kidney. So, kidney, at the top of the kidney you can see some white thing, right?
Yes.
What is white thing?
Adrenal gland.
This is called adrenal gland. What is it?
Adrenal gland.
In brain also there is one gland. Back side here, this side. That is called pituitary gland. What is the name of that gland?
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland is called master gland. What do you call?
Master gland.
Why?
Because it saves
Yeah, it produces hormones and it controls functions of all other organs of our
Body.
If the brain is taken out from brain box, if the brain is taken out from brain box, then can this body work? No. Organs will become confused what to do. Now my brain is saying, okay, move the brain up. My brain said to move the brain up and down. Yes or no? It said, okay, keep the brain down. Give hands back. All governed by our brain. Some person's brain is very sharp, they can slowly, right? Some they forget very quickly. Some they remember very quickly. Yes or no? It's all the matter of brain. So by training our brain, then we can make it more sharper. Training is needed. Understood or not? Some skills can be provided. When the people get skilled, they become more talented or not?
Yes.
If no skill, then they are so weak. Those children who come to school are more sharper, or those children who will stay at home?
Those who
Those
comes to
who
school.
come to school, because their brain is trained time and again, right? There is first period Nepali, second period science, third period English, fourth period mathematics, 7 periods, sometimes games, sometimes this, sometimes that, right?
SMS from the underscore alert.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
The message
what
is
here?
Adaraniya Abhibhavakaju, Kaksa Kopuna, Pariksa Utana Vijathalai Jetagate Amaleka Sakamagera Bamki Rakamara Kaksa Ko Pahilo Kista Bajai Nama Lekhona Vinamra Nuroda Gardatu, Prakaria, Ina, Essa.
Adrenal gland and left hand side,
Left adrenal gland.
right? So you can see here. Actually, what does the kidney do? It purifies the blood, or it filters the blood. Kidney is the filtering organ of our body. Blood reaches in kidney. There are nephrons. What are they?
Nephron.
These nephrons are responsible for filtering. Useful things, they go in one side, and useless things, they go in another side, and they collect in urinary bladder. Where are they collected?
Urinary bladder.
And when the urinary bladder is 50% full, then you say, sir, twice time. Yes or no? And if not allowed, then, sir, very difficult. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if not so, not control, and they are only directly, right? Very dangerous. So nowadays they don't do because they are in class 8. And here, can you see here red part and blue part?
Yes.
This red is called renal artery. What is it? and blue is called renal vein. Renal artery supplies blood to kidney, and the renal vein collects the blood from kidney tube and takes it to the heart. Right? This is the thing. So about this, what is next one? Heart. We'll discuss next week. Okay? So mainly what to do, you have to be focused and you must learn the things. You are here for learning new ends, new things. So, and next important thing is, laboratory is the place where silence must be maintained. Understood or not? Some children, what do? They come here and they play with the things which are kept. They just stop. That's wrong method. So you don't gain anything. So now what do? We will go to class and then be prepared for next presentation. Who is going to present on Sunday? Prayas.
Mohan.
Prayas. Where is Prayas? Did you share your this slides or not? Already? Check once again. And next?
Mohan.
More Tenji. Where Tenji? Oh, did you send your slides? Why? Till now not made till, okay. Please make and did you make? Did you send? So check once again, okay? In many cases I have noticed, students they say I have sent, but you don't come, not like that. You can send once again. Prayas, Tenzin and you won't send again, then it will be okay. Alright?
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you. Let's go.
Thank you.